These slatted shutters are made entirely from 1x4 cedar and are very simple to build. Since all of the shutters are the same width, we're setting up a stop block or jig to make multiple cuts at the same measurement. Once you determine the width of each shutter, you can begin cutting 1x4s to that dimension. We're also ripping several pieces lengthwise down to 1 5/8 inch wide for the frame around each shutter. Before we begin assembling, we seal the slats with a clear spar varnish and paint the framework pieces with black paint. This simplifies the coating process. Since the cedar is rough sawn, it would be difficult to cut in clean lines. When the coatings are dry, we begin assembly with another jig. We're using two 1x2 screwed to our work table to align the slats so that the ends are even. The trim boards are cut to length with a 45-degree miter on each end, and the blue chalk line on the jig boards allow the trim pieces to be installed with a 1/4 inch of overhang beyond the slats. Since the trim also holds the slats together, we're using glue and at least one nail through every slat to attach it. When all of the trim is secure, we add 1/4 inch strips on the edge of the slats to conceal the end grain and fill in that 1/4 inch overhang. Finally, we touch up the paint around the edges and the shutters are ready to hang.